Hello everybody, today we are going to discuss some general knowledge on International Non-Violence Day. We also observe Gandhi Jayanti on same day. Then let's start question answers. First question, when International Non-Violence Day is celebrated? Option A, 1st October. Option B, 2nd October. Option C, 3rd October. Option D, 4th October. Here answer is 2nd October. Then next question. When International Non-Violence Day was celebrated for the first time? Option A, 2004. Option B, 2005. Option C, 2006. Option D, 2007. Here answer is in the year 2007. Then next question. Who declared International Non-Violence Day? Option A, UNESCO. Option B, WHO. Option C, League of Nations. Option D, United Nations. Here answer is United Nations. Then next question. Who is the father of non-violence? Option A, Mahatma Gandhi. Option B, Jawaharlal Nehru. Option C, Nelson Mandela. Option D, Baba Ramdev. Here answer is Mahatma Gandhi. Then next question. According to Gandhi, ahimsa is the common virtue of which of the following? Option A, Jainism. Option B, Buddhism. Option C, Hinduism. Option D, all above. Here answer is all above. Then next question. When Mahatma Gandhi was born? Option A, 2nd October 1896. Option B, 2nd October 1869. Option C, 2nd October 1969. Option D, 2nd October 1996. Then answer is 2nd October 1869. Next question. What is the nickname of Mahatma Gandhi? Option A, Bapu. Option B, Sasa. Option C, Lukamanya. Option D, Desbandhu. Here answer is Bapu. Then next question. Which is the first country in the world to receive independence through non-violence principle? Option A, South Africa. Option B, South America. Option C, India. Option D, Bangladesh. Here answer is India. Then next question. Who is the author of Jainism, a practical guide to the religion of non-violence? Option A, M.K. Gandhi. Option B, Dr. S. Radhakrishnan. Option C, Thomas Merton. Option D, Cartwright. Here answer is Cartwright. Then next question. Who is the author of Non-Violence and Islam? Option A, Maulana Wahiduddin Khan. Option B, Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. Option C, Jane Austen. Option D, APJ Abdul Kalam. Here answer is Maulana Wahiduddin Khan. Thank you for joining. See you again.